Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family.
Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. As you can see, my legs are not shaven. Dude, the worst part about having like long hair is like your shit gets stuck everywhere. Sometimes my hair gets caught like in the window whenever I'm like rolling it up, and I don't even know that it's like hanging out half the time. Anyways, that is not what this video is about. This video is about me showing you how to create a summer look, because I am like the Picasso of fucking makeup, dude. There's still a reason for summer makeup. I know I do my makeup whenever I get on Zoom with my friends and we watch movies. So if you hear this constant buzzing in the back, it's actually, I don't know if you can see it, it's my heater. It's cold as shit in my room, and I don't understand why, because it's the middle of summer. It's like, what, 80 degrees out right now? And it doesn't make sense because like I'm on like the second floor and I thought like heat was supposed to rise or something. So first and foremost, I want to stress how important SPF is. SPF is probably the most important part of your routine, along with your skincare. I'm not going to be wearing SPF in this video, or this look specifically, because I'm not going outside. I'm literally just staying indoors. If you want a good SPF, I do suggest the Shiseido Wet Force 50 SPF. I use this like all the time. Another good one is just the Sunbum one. It's just 30 SPF. And then if you're not working out, a really good one is just the Equate Moisturizer. I forgot what it's actually called, but I'll put like a picture or something here. That one's really good as long as you're like not working out or like sweating profusely. I worked out in it this morning, and by the time I was done, it started to get in my eye and it low-key burned. Do I recommend that for workouts? No. Do I recommend it in general? Yes, I do, because I think it's like really good. It's probably the best drugstore stuff you can get. So what I'm gonna be using before I put on my makeup is the Clinique ID. It has the blue one in it. I think it's supposed to do something for your pores, but I'm just gonna use this to moisturize my face. I don't know where the fuck that came from, because I didn't pick it. Now that that is out of the way, I'm going to be using a primer, obviously, because we're grown-ups. We have credit cards with our legal names on them. I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Prime Time Original Foundation Primer. I think it's lighter than the Tatcha Silk Canvas that I use half the time. I don't have a whole lot of primers, just because I just don't. I have my select few that I like, those being Silk Canvas, this, and I have this like Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Prime Set Refresh. I don't know how well it works as like a primer. I only use it as setting spray. Actually, I do know how it works from a primer because I used it after gym class. It was okay. It was okay. I didn't really notice any difference, to be honest. It felt nice. It smells nice. Oh shit, my eyebrows look so bad. Before I even continue this video, let me whip these bitches into shape real quick. Let's just all take a second to remember that eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins. Mine happen to be inbred cousins. I'm not even gonna address how I do my eyebrows.
That's a lot of damage. How about a little more?
Okay. Alright, y'all are just gonna have to bear with me here. We're also going to prime our eyelids, because that is also important, because it's hot as shit and you don't want your makeup creasing. Also, this is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, the original. I've had this for years and I find that it really does work. I personally don't like to use concealer because it feels really heavy in my eyelids, especially in the summer. And I think the key to like a summer look is just light, like just sheer. It's not necessarily like full-on caked makeup. We're going to be using the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream in the color Natural 05. That's my color. But I'm also going to be mixing in a little bit of Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation in the color 6, because I'm starting to lose my tan a little bit. Shake this bitch up. We're just going to take a beauty blender. Yes, it's dirty. No, I'm not going to wet it. Mind your business. It just looks a little bit ashy on me right now, but we're going to be using bronzer, so it's not going to look as wow, this looks really ashy on camera. Should have just went in with the Benefit Hello Happy, to be honest. It's fine. We'll fix it. Don't even worry about it. Right, so I don't necessarily like to do my brows whenever I do a summer look. I feel like it makes my face look a little bit caked, and that's not the look that I'm going for. I'm just going for a nice sheer little look. Right, so after that, I'm going to be using the Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer from Too Faced in the color Medium Tan. And I'm just gonna go over some blemishes, dark spots and whatnot, discoloration. You know the drill, it's concealer. Next I'm going to put on the Estee Lauder Double Wear Instant Fix Concealer. I'm just going to go in with the color side because I already did my hydration. And I'm just going to put 3 dots under here, make my eyes look a little more awake. The All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder from Urban Decay. This really does not look like my color. It's okay, we're using bronzer. We'll get around to it. I'm just going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in the shade Cappuccino. And I'm just going to take it and put it over here. I try not to put a whole lot. And I also put it on my jaw. Oh god, this is so bad. I was supposed to be showing about it. Oh god, okay. It's fine, it's fine. It's literally fine. It's so bad. It looks a little bit better now. Yeah, it looks a little bit. Y'all can't tell me that doesn't look a little. Oh no, not on camera. IRL, it looks just a little bit better. Next, I'm gonna be putting on highlighter. I'm gonna be using the KKW Beauty in the color Tempting. It's just their highlighter. What the fuck? I'm gonna break a nail. Like, what the heck? There she is. Oh god, this looks so bad. Anyways, time for blush. The blush I'm going to be using today is drugstore blush, just Physicians Formula. Looks like this, and it smells pretty good. I don't know what's up with Physicians Formula. Their stuff always smells weird, but good. Oh god. Y'all didn't ask for this. Y'all just got this. This is free. This is not this is not premium content. This is free. We're just gonna keep going. We're gonna make it through this. We're just gonna keep pushing. We're gonna keep pushing, see what comes out on the other end. A little bit of this just setting spray on before I do my eyes. Because I feel like whenever I put setting spray on after I do my eyes, it makes my eyes crease a little bit. So we will not be doing that. Then I'm going to put powder on, just to set it a little bit more. I'm going to be taking the small YSL palette. It is the Contour Palette Collector Luxuriant Haven. I actually don't know if that's the name of it, but it's the green one. Right, so I'm just going to take this little brown color and just put it in my crease. Yeah, just this little brown. Then, after we do that, I'm going to take just a little blender brush. And I'm going to go in with this kind of orangey shade that's in this palette. And I'm just going to put that over, just up there a little bit, like so. It looks so bad. I hope that if y'all are like actually following this tutorial.
Goki-buri, goki-buri taiso. Goki-buri, goki-buri, goki-buri taiso. Goki-buri, goki-buri, goki-buri.
I'm gonna take this white that's in the middle of this palette, and I'm just gonna swipe it over my eyelids. Like so. If you don't know the white that I'm referring to, it's just this one. Did we mess up? Yes, ma'am, we did. You know me. I look like I just got into like Claire's makeup. I'm not done yet though. Next, I'm just going to put on some Laura Mercier Caviar Volume. I guess now to put on like a lip gloss. Whoa. Of course we're gonna go through my YSL collection because you know me, I love YSL. Just this, it's this little lip gloss, Glazing Gloss, number 5. I actually forgot what color this is. And there she is. It's my summer makeup. It looks so bad. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry you had to watch this video. Hopefully now you know like what not to do. I think she's okay. I think I look pretty darn tootin' good. If you don't believe that, I don't care. Confidence. Confidence is key. I think it's like not that bad. Like I've seen worse. I do have an eye booger or whatever the fuck that is. Oh, do you want it? I picked it just for you. Do you want it? Why the fuck am I like this? Oh my god. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please let me know. I had fun just playing around with makeup. If you want to see more like videos like this, comment down below, like the video, or don't. I'm probably going to post whatever I want to post in the end. But I'll see you guys in the next one, maybe. If I don't like die or something. Okay, bye.
I get broads in Atlanta, chasing the lean and shit, sipping fountain. Credit cards in the scammers, wake up beside shit, let design, whole bunch of ladder shit. They be acting rats, I don't be clapping shit. I be putting myself in the family shit. I got plenty just up with Bugatti, but look how I track shit. Legacies, final, ways to killing the cop. Pop a perk, I got signed a gorilla, they come and kill you with